Dun dun dun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I bring you a new foldable device from Moto, and this is the Moto Razr 40 Ultra, and this is the second generation vertical foldable device from Moto, and this time they bring us the entire new model, the Razr 40 Ultra, and today I'm going to unbox it and check what they bring us and what we can expect from this new foldable device. And in the market now, large foldable device from the Vivo X Flip, Oppo Flip N, and also the lots of vertical devices, foldable devices. And let's see what this phone is special from this device. And next, I'm going to first we will talk about the I think from the books, because this time I think we can talk from here. Yes, they put a special Pantone color number here because this time the model, the edition we got is the Pantone Vega Macton. So this is the red color and leathered material edition we got. So this is one of the best special one, and also we can get RAM and 4 ROM information here. So this time we have the 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB ROM. And yes, next let's unbox it and let's check what's inside this box, the Moto Razr Ultra. Okay, so after we open it, here we can find that the smartphone was in a plastic screen protector. Moto Razr 40 Ultra, and it's very simple and very material and high-end screen protector. So this is different compared to other transparent ones. So first let's put it aside and go to the accessories first. Okay, so under the smartphone here, okay, get another package. I think this is for the they say it's a plastic free recyclable soy ink. So this is recyclable package. Let's check what's inside this box. Okay, in the box we got here. Okay, I think we've got a phone case. Yes, so this is a whoa. Let me see how to get it out. This is a phone case. Okay, yes. So we get a transparent hard plastic phone case. A bit similar to the actually very similar to the X Flip. They also provide the transparent case and also two part. And also here we get the red edge. Okay, so this is the phone case. Let's put it aside first, and then here after we open it, also get the warranty card and quick instructions of how to use it. And this is a warranty card. Yeah, so this is all the stuff inside this book, in this package, inside this box. So let's put it aside. And okay, here under the package we got a cable. Okay, let's see. So it's a Type C to USB-C cable, USB cable. Yeah, so this is the cable. Okay, let's put it back. And here is a charger. Okay, it's also protected by a not the soft plastic, but it's also kind of paper. So it's also have the recycle logo printed on the paper. So I think the package this time also here, yeah, it's totally recyclable. Not on lots of the really did good for the package. I think it's kind of environment friendly package, and also even the screen protector, the protect for the cable, for the charger, and everything is recyclable. So they use the plastic very few, so this is pretty nice. And this is another thing I think I should mention about the package and also the books. Okay, so next we'll talk about smartphone. First, let's get the phone out of the screen protector. Okay, so now, get the Razr 40Ultra from the books, and this time we got the red color leather material edition. And okay. So this is pretty nice. So this is what this looks like when we fold it, and this is what it looks like when we unfold it. So this is pretty nice. And I will say, compared to the last generation, this time for the framework and the design lines are more rounded, not so sharp compared to the last generation. Also, this time the red material edition is the lightest. It only have a 184.5 grams. So this is very nice. And also the dimensions about this one is the width is 73.95 and length 170.83 and depth 6.99 mm. So this is pretty nice. The size is not so big and the weight is light. I can make a compare to this one. And so this is the Vivo X Flip. I also hands-on this video, this model this week. So this is also a very nice foldable device. But there's something I think I should mention here. First, I will compare it for the weight. This one is it's lighter. It's only 184, but the left one, the Vivo X Flip, it's got 195. And for dimensions here, for the Vivo X Flip, is the length is 166, and this one, as I mentioned, is 170. And the width, and this one is only 73.95, and this 75.25. And for the thickness here, for this angle is much better. This one is 6.99, and this one is 7.75. So except the length, the weight, and the thickness, I think the Moto Razr 40Ultra is much light and weight light compared to this one. And I will say both of them, they use the leather material. I think when we touch it, I can feel the difference, but both of them are very nice and comfortable. And one thing I think I should mention, this one, besides the leather, his screen is a 3-inch screen. But this one, we can fold it, and to check, here, screen size. So this is 3-inch screen size, and this one is 3.6. So this screen is much better. And also for the second screen, is use the Moto Razr 40Ultra. Use the edge technology, and when we put it on the spotlight, we can get reflect. Yeah, so this is where, and also when you touch it, it's very nice for the edge glass. So this is about the design. And also, if we compare to the Vivo X Flip, we can find that. For the camera zone, here is a rounded camera zone with they work with those. And here they just have both of them have dual camera system. This one is have a independent two lens, two cameras. So this is difference. And if we fold it like this is combination, like a kind of stingy design. The material part with the screen part. Here is a whole screen part. Put the screen under the AG glass. So this is difference. And if we got compared to other part, almost same. It's also here this model. They put the Pantone colors here, Pantone numbers here. And so this is the about the design, about the Ultra 40 Ultra, about the Moto. And this time, besides the design, the screen, the inside screen, this time they use a 6.7, so 9-inch. So it supports 165 Hz refresh rate and support HDR10 plus, and it supports SGS, the low blue light eye protect. It's also nice for the screen part. And for the for the specification, this time they use the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor, same like the Vivo X Flip, and it supports LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1, 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. So this is also nice. It's kind of flagship specifications of the market. For the N22s can get 1.09 millimeters scores. The market is also nice. It's a flagship specifications. And besides the screen part, we can go to the battery and the charging part. This time it's a very lightweight and it's a thick form, but it's also provided with 3800 mAh big batteries. And if we do a normal test, it can get 5 hours. 5 hours test. It also can have 44% battery left. So normally it can meet your 1 day usage, and also it supports 30-watt fast charging. And also I will compare it to this one, because this one is got a 4400 battery with 44-watt fast charging. So it's bigger and weight heavy, but so the battery and is a bit bigger. And for this one, the charger also have a wireless charging, so we can support wireless charging 30 minutes, but fast charging from you get 1 to 70%. And the last, let's talk about the camera. And this time for the Moto Razr 40 Ultra, have a 12 megapixel OIS plus 30 megapixel wide angle rear camera, dual rear camera, and also it's got a 32 megapixel front camera here. It's a punch hole camera. And for the it support OIS, so it can get better stable anti-shake pictures, and also if even in a low light environment, it's all got to get good quality pictures. So this is also good, and we can take some samples here. Okay, here get some samples. First, here wide angle, eight times zoom. So let's go to the front, switch the camera to the front camera. Okay, so I will put the samples images at the end of the video. So yes, okay, so this is a major introduction about this device. The Razr 40 Ultra from Moto. What do you think of such foldable device? And I really like the red colors. so attractive, and I think maybe it's the perfect phone for ladies and girls. It's very nice, and also I will show you some funny features. To switch, so it can wake up the camera, and also here if we use the volume button, we can take a picture, and also click, we can take a picture. Yeah, here get more mode if we use it. Also you support hang over when we use this, take pictures like this. This can suspend hangers here, will not go back to the flat mode here. Okay, so this is very quick, very simple unboxing and hands-on video about this device from Razr, from Moto, the Moto Razr 40Ultra. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.